Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, hopefully the wet weather we've seen for most of the day today has not hampered your plans if you were headed out to one of the local memorial garden cemeteries, parades, or even if you had some folks over at your house. You certainly had to at least account for some pretty heavy showers at times, and we've still got some out there in the storm tracker behind me there. But otherwise, things are slowly starting to taper off as we head in towards the rest of the night tonight. So let's head outside, show you what's happening right now. Still seeing a nice concentration of even a few thunderstorms pushing north up towards Sandy as you go up to the Cascade Locks across Interstate 84. Pretty good wreck up there earlier today as well, so it's a real messy go. A lot of folks trying to get back home tonight, so just take it easy out there. The rain is going to be puddling in some spots, and see out towards Eugene and across most of the Southern Valley area here. We're getting a few light showers out towards Blue River as you go up to Rainbow as well, Oak Ridge, and then going down towards Willamette Pass. So it's all being generated by this big area of low pressure continuing to swirl just off of the Washington coastline. The cold front itself is still offshore, and so that'll push most of these showers through as we head into the next couple of hours tonight and overnight. I think we'll finally start to see that taper off. It'll still be a little soggy tomorrow morning, but I don't think we'll be dealing with the heavier rain like we have earlier today. Even picked up about 1/1600ths of an inch in Bend for this afternoon. We picked up just under a half an inch here in Eugene so far, about 3/10 in Corvallis and Roseburg, about a fourth as you get out towards Newport, and a half an inch in North Bend and Coos Bay. So as we go overnight tonight, we'll still keep a mention of those showers around, but we'll also see things taper off. By tomorrow, I'm expecting maybe temperatures just a degree or two cooler. We'll have to see how fast the clouds clear, if they do at all tonight. But otherwise, we saw a day closer to average, still not there yet. Should be in the upper 60s, but we're getting closer. We'll take it. So here's what it looks like out across the board so far. There's that front still sitting offshore, still watching the jet stream pull in all the moisture behind that, and so that is going to keep some shower activity around. Now, it will be a little more spotty by tomorrow morning and early afternoon, but we've got another strong wave that's not even on the map right now. It's out towards the Aleutian Islands. That will be coming through as we head in towards tomorrow night's forecast. So let's take it hour by hour as we start off this evening, I should say, going into the overnight hours. See the coverage gets a little less, mainly up in the mountains tomorrow morning. A break by most of the afternoon. I think we'll get back to partly sunny skies. Then another heavy wave coming through late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Likely going to be a very wet commute as you head out the door for Wednesday. So the coast will see morning showers. We'll call for about 56 degrees up towards Newport and Florence. Close to 60 as you get down to Coos Bay, North Bend. Just kind of a windy and raw day on Wednesday. And Thursday, the wet weather starts to take a break, and we get a nice ridge of high pressure building in for the weekend. That should start to clear skies out pretty quickly, and because, again, it's going to be the beginning of June, we're going to warm up pretty fast as well. So we'll call for some spotty rain early in the morning in the Umpqua Basin. We'll also be looking at temperatures there sitting mainly in the 60s. We'll get back into the 70s as we head in towards the rest of the forecast for the week. I apologize for that. Our weather computers are having some trouble last couple of nights. In the Cascades, we'll see the temperatures there in the mid to upper 40s. Some isolated showers on and off throughout the day tomorrow. Partly sunny in Bend and Redmond. We'll also be looking at a fairly quiet forecast overall. Wednesday will be the day we'll see some wet weather, and then it's into the 70s as we get to the weekend. And finally, in the valley, we'll call for isolated showers. Temperatures will be around 62 to 64 degrees. And then kind of a raw day Wednesday. And then Thursday starting to shape up. Right now, weekend looking pretty darn good for this time of year.
There is nothing wrong with those mid-70s at all.
Yeah, we'll take that.
Thank you, Justin.
You bet.